this is how it arrives. Let's go ahead and open it up. What you do is tear the paper. Now it's in a box. We'll open up the box here, and there's a expiration date and a description at the bottom. Nice looking box. We'll open that up, and you can see that even inside the box there's packaging. There's a thank you and a description of the nuts, and then they're in a nice sealed package. This one has some, was this bar mix? It has some toffee peanuts, cashews, some glazed pecans, some pistachios, and some almonds. So this is a nice set in a nice plastic case. Again, expiration dates and everything at the bottom, all in plastic, and you can see it comes well packaged. Great for sending to multiple people. Hope this helps. I want to thank O Nuts for sending us this one to check out.